In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for new hire onboarding. By the end, you'll have a consistent, repeatable process that helps every new teammate start strong, with all the right tasks and timelines ready to go. First, open ClickUp and navigate to the workspace where you manage your team processes. In the left sidebar, locate the space you want to use for onboarding. A space is your high-level container for a department or workflow, so choose the one that makes the most sense for HR or people operations. If you don't see the space, expand the sidebar or switch workspaces to find it. Next, hover over the space name and click the three-dot menu to open the space actions. This menu is where you can change settings, structure your space, and, most importantly for today, work with templates. If you don't have access to the menu, you may need space admin permissions, so double-check your role first. From that menu, select Apply a Template. Templates are the fastest way to roll out a proven structure without rebuilding it from scratch. Applying a template to the space will let you bring in organized lists, tasks, statuses, and any fields that the template includes, all at once. In the template library, use the search bar and type Onboarding or New Hire. Choose the New Hire onboarding template that best fits your process. You can preview it to see the lists and tasks it will add, such as pre-boarding, first-week checklists, training, or compliance steps. When you're ready, click to apply it. In the import options, decide what to bring in. Keep the task structure and statuses. For due dates, choose relative dates if you want timelines to auto-calculate from the day you apply the template, or leave dates blank if you'll set them after you know a start date. Before finalizing, make edits so the template reflects your company's process. Update task descriptions with your policies, link to your handbook or training portal, and refine checklists for equipment, access, and introductions. Adjust custom fields like role, location, or manager so they're useful at a glance. Set assignees or watchers if certain tasks always belong to the same people, and tweak statuses to match how your team tracks progress. Rename what you've applied to something clear and consistent, like New Hire Onboarding, so it's easy to find later. Then select Use or Apply to confirm. ClickUp will create the lists and tasks inside your space, ready to assign and schedule for your next hire. That's it. You've opened ClickUp, used the space menu, applied a template, customized it, renamed it, and put it to work for onboarding.